So Charles, it's November and we're in your greenhouse and I have spotted tomato plants. How come you've got tomatoes in here?
I don't want to grow them over the winter, but what I'm doing here is I'm maintaining the variety because this is rosada. It's a cherry plum tomato that you cannot buy the seeds of anymore. It's been delisted.
Right, okay.
And because it's a hybrid, F1 hybrid, if you save the seeds of F1 hybrid tomatoes, they don't grow true.
They don't.
I know that from bitter experience. I saved some gold seeds one year. That's another F1 hybrid.
Yeah.
And every single plant from every seed I sowed grew at a different plant.
Wow, okay.
All different tomatoes, different colour, shapes, and
Back
none
to
of
the
them,
parents.
Yeah, the parents, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's what's so interesting. None of them tasted nice.
Oh really? That's amazing, isn't it?
So I've done a risk that with rosada. But what you can do, rather than save seeds, is save the side shoot.
Okay, so you're going to keep those cuttings going throughout winter.
That's the plan.
And how many years have you kept this going?
This is coming up 6 years so far.
That's incredible, 6 years.
Touch wood. I mean, this could all be wiped out if I forgot about leaving them in here on
Well,
a frosty
obviously
night.
you've been very, very diligent about them.
Because these are frost sensitive, so in a greenhouse you can get frost. So
Yes,
therefore I protect them in my conservatory. But I prefer them being in here because it's all around light.
Yeah, absolutely. They're flowering, so
plants.
you're going to get tomatoes at Christmas.
What I need to actually is take out these trusses. It's not easy when they're very small like this because the truss is so close to the main growing point.
Yeah.
Close to the growing point. So yeah, remove the trusses at this point because that's taking energy from the plant.
Absolutely. And when will you plant these out?
Not going to fruit or anything.
Again?
Late April, early May in here when these salad plants finish. So we overwinter salad and then tomatoes in the summer. But I mean, we could use. I don't think they've rooted, but.
Oh, I can see some roots there.
You can just see the little roots appearing on the stem.
Okay, guys, we have roots right here.
And you can also see there actually is another side shoot appearing on the main stem.
So will you let that grow and then plant it on?
Exactly. You can keep going like this all through the winter.
You can. How many plants is too many though? When are you done?
Way more than I need, but yeah, this could become a lot if you wanted to.
Yeah, fantastic. Oh, that's so interesting.
It's what it is though. It's certainly not less work than it's very easy to sow seed. But if you have got one variety like this, that's
Yeah,
an F1 hybrid.
you can keep it going.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant! Thank you.